Open the trunk to gain access to the bulb.
Pry out to release the fastener. Remove the lining by prying it back. Remove the bolts by turning them counterclockwise.
There are 2 more bolts that need to be removed.
So the bolt that's kind of back down here, you may have to just use like a combination wrench.
Take the bulb housing out of the vehicle. Remove the bulb assemblies by twisting them counterclockwise. Disconnect the wires by pulling them out. Now you can replace your housing with a new one. Replace the bulb assemblies by twisting them clockwise. Make sure that any wires that have become disconnected are replaced.
Align the tabs and push the housing to get it back into place.
Replace the bolts by turning them clockwise.
It's a good idea to hand tighten the bolts before securing them to the vehicle.
Fold the trunk lining to its original position. Replace the fastener by pushing it back in.
Make sure the bulb housing is secure.